Private limited company registration. How to register your company under private limited, and how to register your online company registration in India. You can register now a company in India. Private limited company is one of the highly recommended ways to start a business in India. This type of company offers limited liability for its shareholders with certain restriction placed on the ownership. An LLP has partners who own and manage the business, whereas in private limited company registration, directors may be different from shareholders. Register a company today to get funding and tax benefits. B. Pramanikan Associates, a leading legal consultant, offers quick company registration services in India with three simple steps. Register your directors with MCA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Get guidance to choose the right company name. Draft your company's constitutions, MOA and AOA. MOA means Memorandum of Articles and AOA means Article of Associations. A certificate of incorporation COI along with PAN and TAN can be received post approval of the company registration process. You can officially open a current bank account with the certificate of incorporation and begin your business operation. This, sorry. Why choose company registration in India and benefits? Registering a company offers many benefits. A registered company makes it genuine and increase the authenticity of your business. Shield from personal liability and protects from other risks and losses, attracts more customers, procures bank credits and good investment from reliable investors with is offers liability protection to protect your company's asset, greater capital contribution and greater stability, increase the potential to grow big and expand. You will also get DBS and zero balance account of many bank. Also, you can create the bank account for any nationalized bank, and you will also get DBS and ICICI zero balance current account powered by Deep Money and Associates. Checklist for registering a company in India. According to the law, Companies Act 2013, in order for any company to be registered in India, the below conditions have to be met. Two directors. A private limited company must have at least two directors, and at most there can be 15 of the company's director in the business. At least one of them must be resident in India. Unique name. The name of your business must be unique. The suggested name should not match with any existing company or trademarks in India. Minimum capital contribution. There is no minimum capital amount for a company. A company should have an authorized capital of at least 1 lakh. Registered office and registered office of a does not have be any commercial place. Even a rented home can be registered office so long as a NOC obtained from the landlord. Like, how to register company online? Company registration in India will boost the progress of startups and provide an additional edge over those who have not registered. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs governs the company registration process with rules and regulations framed in accordance with the law. Step 1. Application for DSC Digital Signature Certificate. Step 2. Apply for the DIN Director Identification Number. Step 3. Application for name availability. Step 4. Filing of the EMOA and EAOA, the registered private limited company. Apply for the PAN and TAN of the company. Step 6. Issued certificate of incorporation by ROC with PAN and TAN. Uh, Opening a current account on company name. Company before company registration. One of the primary steps in company registration is to ensure that the company name has not already been taken by another legal entity. We can run a company name search to check availability of the particular name in India against the MCA and trademark database. We recommend the business to come up with 3 and 4 alternative names during the approval stages of private limited company registration. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs will be the final authority to approve the name based on the ability rules and regulations. If you are disappointed that the preferred name is taken, do remember that the name of your company does not have to be your brand name. However, you are going to trademark your brand name. Also, check if it is already have been trademarked at www.ipindia.gov. It's a trademark website for check. If it has been trademarked, you would need a no objection certificate from its owner and to have approved as your company's name. Next, documents required for online company registration. In India, private limited company registration cannot be done with a proper identity proof and address proof. Identity and address proof will be needed for all the directors and shareholders of the company to be incorporated. Listed below are the documents that are accepted by MCA for the online company registration process acceptable. Identity and address proof. Scan copy of PAN card, passport size photo, foreign nationals, NRIs. Scan copy of voter ID card, passport or driving license. Scan copy of the latest bank statement or telephone bill or electricity or gas bill. Scan copy of passport size photos and specimen signature. Blank document with the signature directors only. For the foreign nationals, apostillized and notarized copy for the passport has to be submitted mandatorily. All documents submitted should be valid. The residence proof documents like the bank statement or the electricity bill must be 2 months old. Registered office address. For online company registration in India, the company must have a registered office in India. To prove admittance to the registered office, a recent copy of electricity bill or the property tax receipt or water bill must be submitted, along with the rental agreement, utility bill or the sale deed, and a letter from the landlord with her his consent to use the office as registered office of the company should be submitted. Scan copy of the latest bank statement, telephone or mobile electricity or gas bill. Scan copy of notarized or rental agreement in English. Scan copy of no objection certificate from the property owner. Scan copy of sale deed or property deed from the in case of on property. Your registered office need to be commercial place. It can be residence too. How can we help in registering your company? Why B Pramani can associate? Why us? The private limited company registration process is completely online. So you don't even have to leave your home to get entity registered. At B Pramanik and Associates, we complete the company registration online within 14 days. B Pramanik and Associate company registration package includes BSc for two director drafting MOA and EOA registering registered stamp duty company incorporation certificate company PAN 10 name approval certificate GST registration PF registration ESI registration PT registration is professional tax registration DBS and bank account tax on a limited company. Do I need be physically present during this process? No. New company registration is a fully online process as all documents are filled electronically. You would not need to be physically present at all. You would need to send a scan copies of the all required documents and forms. How much time is needed for setting up a private limited company in India? If you have all the documents in order, it will take no longer than 15 days. However, this is dependent on the workload of the register. What are the rules for picking a name for a private limited company? The register of companies ROCs across India accept applicant to follow up a few naming guidelines. Some of them are subjective which means that approval can depend on the opinion of the officer handling your application. However, the more closely you follow the rules listed below, the better you chances of approval. Chances of approval. What documents required to complete the process? All the directors must be identity and address proof as well as the copy of the PAN card and passport. No objection certificate must be submitted to the owner and registered office manager. What is DSC? DSC means Digital Signature Certificate. The DSC is an instrument issued by certifying authorities, TCS and ENCODE, Capricorn or others, by which you can sign electronic documents. As all documents needed are electronic, partners needed DSC. Does a private limited company have continuous existence? Yes, so long as the annual compliance are met, the private limited company will continue to exist. If you do not comply with the requirements, it will go dormant until it's track of the register altogether. How much does it cost to run a private limited company? That can be divided into four categories: cost of setting a private limited company, cost of accounting and auditing, cost of compliance and miscellaneous expenses. At the very minimum you can excess spend 40,000 on all this. Is it necessary to have a company books audited? Yes, a private limited company must hire an auditor no matter what is revenues. In fact, an auditor must be appointed within 30 days of incorporation. Compliance is important with a private limited company given that penalties for non-compliance can run into lakhs of rupees and even lead to blacklisting of directors. What are the article of association and memorandum of association? These documents contains the rules, vision and mission of your organization and define among other things the exact business and the roles and responsibility of shareholders and directors. Are two directors necessary for a private limited company registration? Yes, a minimum two of directors are needed for a private limited company registration. The maximum sorry sorry, the maximum members can be 200. You can register as a one person company if you are the sole owner of the company. Who can be the in a private limited company? Any individual organization can become a member of private limited company, including NRI, foreigners. Nonetheless, the individual must be 18 plus above in terms of age and should hold a valid PAN card. What is the minimum capital needed to form a private limited company? There is no minimum capital required for starting a private limited company. Can the director of a private limited company also be a salaried person? Yes, a salaried person can become a director in private limited company, LLP, OPC private limited company. One needs to check the employment agreement if that allows if such provision. In a lot of cases, the employees are quite comfortable with the fact that their employees is a director in another company. Can the limited liability partnership can be converted to private limited company? No, one cannot convert an LLP into a private limited company as it is not the MCA. The LLP Act 2008 and Companies Act 2013, the both don't have any provision on conversion of the LLP in a private limited company. However, if you want to expand their business, they can register a new private limited company with the same name. The LLP company needs to just issue of no objection certificate. What is the time taken? B Pramanik and Associate in forming a private limited company. B Pramanik and Associate can integrate a private limited company within 15 to 25 days. The time taken also depend on the relevant documents provided by the applicant and the speed of the approvals from the government. To ensure a speedy registration, kindly pick up an unique and as a proposed company name to also ensure that you have all the required documents prior to starting the registration process. Can one register a private limited company on their home address? Yes, one can register their residential address of their company address. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any for further information, you can contact with the B Pramanik and Associate. They will guide you and help you. Please note down this number: 93390555647, 93390555647, and also you can visit their website www.bpramanikassociate.com. They are always there for help to you. Please like, comment, and share it. Thank you.